Hey there. Okay, so I got a person on eBay who's contacted me. His name is Lidar or Leader. Sorry, man, I don't know how to pronounce your name. But you had made a special request for a nice big boy Canon, and you wanted a bell curve on this, much longer than I normally provide. So here's your hunk of steel, man. Let's turn this into something beautiful for you. Thank you for your order. Let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, I gotta clean up this edge and face off the bar, and this is gonna be the part that I end up putting in the back of the chuck to get a nice solid grip on, but this scares me because right now I'm gonna be putting a lot of tool pressure at the face of this, and see how it's cantilevered out here so far? I'm really worried about it shaking and causing me issues, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna do all this part by hand, not using the CNC machine because I need to be able to feel the steel through the controls here. It's looking good. Hear that humming? I don't like that. The humming, if it gets any more violent, you can pull this part right out of the chuck. No good. Okay, I didn't want to have to do this. It's chattering too much, which means I'm going to have to put my tailstock onto it, which means I'm going to have to drill a pilot hole in the very back of the Canon. I was trying to avoid this because I don't like pilot holes in the back of places where you don't want to see pilot holes, but it's going to have to be that way. Okay, slowly, I'm just cutting myself a little pilot hole. It's a place where my tailstock's going to be able to slide into, which you'll see in a minute. Okay, this is going to keep it steady for me while we're machining. Here, let me give you a close-up view. Well, I guess you can kind of see the texture here. It's really bad. Now watch. I can turn this at a much higher RPM, which is going to give me a cleaner cut without the vibrations. Okay, here goes. I only need to take a little teeny tiny bit off, but it's giving it a much more uniform finish than my hand finish did. Yeah, much better. Now we're gonna give it a little bit of a polish, but before I do that, I'm gonna put a little radius on here, and I can do that in the program too. Okay, I was going to take this out and I decided I want it to be a little bit cleaner than that even still. So let's clean it up some more. Okay, this is where I need to take a quick break and draw up and write a program for this bell shape here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I've uploaded the program and I started the program and stopped it. I just needed to calibrate the tool and measure this out to make sure that we're cutting okay. So I'm now going to run the program, and this will be the first time I've run this particular one, so I hope it goes okay. Wish me luck. Okay, so now that we've got it turned down, let's give it a little cleanup polish. Okay, now it's time to drill, baby, drill. Let's do this. And now that it's all drilled, we're going to put a nice radius on the inside. Okay, time to drill the fuse hole. I gotta set the location of the drill bit, and so to do that, I've got a welding rod here. It seems kind of primitive, but it actually works very well for finding the depth of the hole where it needs to be. Let's double check. Perfecto. We'll set that up and get it drilling. Okay, here it is. LiDAR, I hope you enjoy this. I have no idea how you're gonna keep this thing from toppling over, and my guess is that you're gonna create some kind of trunnion to shoot like a cannon. Anyways, best of luck, have fun, and thank you so much.